In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Framer and Calendly seamlessly. If you're looking to make scheduling easier for your website visitors, embedding Calendly into Framer could be a game changer for you. So, let's dive right in and get started with this integration process. The first thing you want to do is open your Framer project. Once you're there, locate the Insert button. It's typically at the top of the interface and is your gateway to adding new elements. Click on Insert and type embed into the search bar. When it shows up, click on embed. You'll now need to decide where you'd like to place your Calendly on your web page. You can drag and drop this embed feature anywhere that suits your layout and design preferences. With that set up, let's head over to Calendly to grab what we need for this integration. Open your Calendly account and navigate to the schedule you wish to embed. You'll notice on the right side of each schedule, a three-dot icon appears when you hover over it. Click on this icon to reveal a few additional options. You'll want to select Add to Website. This brings up a dialog with different embedding options. In this case, choose Inline Embed to allow the calendar to naturally fit into your web page design. After selecting this, you may want to customize the appearance of the calendar. Adjusting how it looks ensures it matches your site's aesthetic and provides a coherent user experience. Once you're satisfied with how it's set up in terms of size, color, and layout, click the Copy Code button. This will copy the necessary HTML code to your clipboard. Now, return to your Framer page because it's time to paste that code. Click on the Embed section where you want the calendar to appear. You should see an area where HTML can be inserted. Simply paste the Calendly HTML code you copied earlier into that section. It's quick and easy, but we're not done yet. Take a look at the embedded calendar to see how it appears on your web page. It might initially look a bit awkward. The sizing and dimensions often need a little tweaking, so let's rectify that. Edit the pixel size for the width and height according to your preference. A good starting point is setting the width to 400 pixels and the height to 900 pixels. These dimensions often work well for a balance between visibility and usability on most web pages. Check to see how it integrates. It should now appear seamlessly and function properly. And with that, you've successfully embedded Calendly into your Framer project, making scheduling much more accessible for your website visitors. This integration will streamline appointment bookings and ensure a smooth experience for everyone involved.